So today I will be making Talawa Gosht or mutton fry. So I have taken Australian mutton, about 400 grams of it. First of all, I will be adding ginger, which has been cut into smaller pieces, julian. On top of it, I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Next, I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add about 2 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of salt or to your taste. Now we are going to mix this. We can leave it to marination for about 1 to 6 hours. After marinating the mutton for about 1 hour, we have transferred the mutton to the frying vessel. Now we will be adding about 200 ml of water into this. After this, we'll put the flame to high and we will close the lid and we will let the water to boil. So the water has come to boil. Now we will mix this. We'll cook this on a low to medium flame for about 30 minutes with closed lid. So that the mutton gets soft. After 30 minutes of slow cooking, let's see the status of the mutton. Almost all of the water has evaporated. We will now add oil into it. So I'm going to add about 4 teaspoons of oil. We'll give this a mix. Flame will be put to about medium flame. To this I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of garam masala powder or Indian spice powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then we'll be adding about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. To this add 10 to 15 curry leaves. So we are going to give this a mix and we'll cook this for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes of closed lid slow cooking, we'll check the status of our mutton and it seems that the mutton pieces have become soft. Now to this we will be adding about 4 to 5 green chilies, small pieces, and then we'll also be adding a little of coriander leaves and we'll mix this. We'll close the lid and cook on a very slow flame for about 1 minute. Now we'll also add lemon juice to this. I'll cook this on a very slow flame for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll dish out. I'll show how it looks. So this is the preparation of mutton fry or Talawa Gosht. Please like, share and comment on our videos of any recipes that you would want us to make. Thank you for your support. Subscribe to our channel. Take care.